We haven't been feeling too well the last few days, so this is the first time we're going out to explore Hanoi.
And I forgot the passport.
Luca's forgotten how to get out of here.
Oops.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it because we live right next to this street where a train goes through really close to the buildings, and we hear the train all the time. We've been here for a few days, we've been too sick to go out. I want to see this train now.
Got it. Oh. Look, a place for a cat.
Yesterday evening, Luca went to take the rubbish out and a woman told him that you just put it on the side of the road here and it gets picked up.
This apparently bin, because I just learned that it's apparently just okay 6 p.m. and
So, do you need to go that way or that way?
this way. And the woman behind us had a problem, so people like to be clean here.
This is a quiet street. It's honestly always so chaotic. We have no idea how we've only seen like a couple of accidents since being here.
My subway not. Sit outside, trên cabin now.
Can we walk through and then there's the train station?
Yeah, trên yeah, coffee drink.
I think you have to pay to...
Not pay outside. Invite customer. Invite you coffee drink. Pay money.
Inside.
Inside. Not outside.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come here. Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay, let's see where she's taking us. We don't usually follow random people around when they're trying to sell us stuff, but we'll see.
Dangerous area.
No, coffee.
Coffee.
Oh yeah, my mate's in there.
Come here, come with me.
Nah, I ain't gonna know one. My mate's in there.
Hanoi Train Street in the heart of Vietnam's capital features a train passing through a narrow residential area a few times a day. It was built in the early 1900s by the French and now runs just inches away from homes and cafes. Locals are required to clear the tracks each time the train is about to pass, with a little help from the police. There have been a few times where authorities have closed parts of the street to try and improve safety. Despite this, it remains a popular spot for tourists and photographers. Locals have adapted their routines around the train schedule, showcasing a unique blend of daily life and railway operations.
Do you have soy milk? Soy milk?
Soy milk?
Yeah?
Oh, they're eating.
Soy milk, almond milk, something?
We've been sick the past few days, like I said before, and we've been in the air conditioning. I'm not used to the heat anymore.
So we just ordered a coconut coffee and hope that there are no animal products, because I told her no animal products, he was like ha ha ha, but didn't say like yes. We'll see. I think so.
Good?
Good, yeah.
Very nice.
500 meters.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So we just, I don't want to say like ripped off, but we basically did because we just wanted to sit there and watch the train pass by, but it's apparently not allowed anymore. So
That's the 360 one.
yeah, so we just bought an overpriced coffee. No, thank you. It's so much nicer over here. And I wonder if you know.
In 2022 it was actually shut because someone was injured here again, which apparently happens quite regularly, which you can kind of see in the video before. The train is really close to the people. Yeah, now it's open again. At least there's no like official block. You can sit in the cafe or sit upstairs or downstairs. Although I would recommend upstairs because downstairs it was very close to the people. And then the police just come and like blow a whistle and yell at people that are downstairs that are too close to the tracks. It's all a little dodgy, but in a wonderful kind of way. In Vietnam, while dogs are commonly kept as pets, people still consume dog meat, particularly at the end of the lunar month to ward off bad luck.
Hi puppy! Hanoi is much quieter than Saigon. Saigon? Saigon? Saigon. Ho Chi Minh is definitely much worse when it comes to peeping, traffic, everything, yeah.
Loudness.
People are more chilled here in Hanoi.
We can hear the train from our
Look at
room,
him!
but that's like it.
Look at him
Oh,
go! Puppy! Look, fish still alive in the tanks. Look at all the fruits, they look beautiful. It's like vegetables, yeah, it's crazy quality. Enjoyable. Rice noodles on the street. People living their best life on the scooter.
Vietnam was part of French Indochina from the 19th to mid-20th century, shaping its culture and sparking nationalist movements.
A fire! A fire! No thank you, brother! No thank you! No thank you, bro! Classic banh mi. You can find them everywhere here. No thank you, brother! Oh, banana party today. Nice. Foot massage everywhere. €6, $8. Really good price, but it's always pretty hot in there. So think twice before doing it. What we found here is a Chinese Indian restaurant. There's everything in the city. This street apparently has a lot of vegan food. Traditional vegan food of Vietnam. Nice, we love it. Especially the thing you eat in the morning. What is it called again? People are specialized in really specific things over here. Look at all this. It's basically metal things. But there are people just selling motors, there are people just selling scooters. It's really specific, it's really interesting. On the building site, they typically work in the dark, as you can see. Yeah. But they do a good job. I see them working really hard, they're sweating a lot. Streets are wild as usual. Yeah. It's just another day. Hey! Another day in Hanoi. The people here say on green light I can go, on orange light I can go, and on red light I still can go. People sell everything. He's cleaning his pipe, I guess. Looks nice. Smoking is a thing over here. People sitting on the street, selling all kind of stuff.
Hanoi's old quarter has streets named after the goods that were once sold there, like Silk Street and Bamboo Street.
On the other side, you can see people here working on everything just in flip-flops, like just in sandals. It's crazy. Here you can see just car try to overtake randomly. People sitting in the stores. It's wild, it's really wild. Now, another street crossing. Which way? Oh, this way? Or does she want to take the... Oh yeah, she just wants to take the... Go, it's have to go, and he's not walking, he's not looking, yeah.
Okay.
Nice guy. We're still in the old quarter, and as you can see on all these wonderful houses, it little looks like France. And there you can look inside and some gold stuff, yeah, really nice.
Vietnam is somewhat unusual in Asia in terms of the relative popularity of dog meat. In most countries where the trade exists, dog meat is only consumed by a small minority of the population, whereas the latest opinion poll in September 2023 shows that dog meat is consumed by nearly 40% of the Vietnamese population. Also, cat meat dishes are particularly common around the capital Hanoi, where we are at the moment.
We We finally arrived. Vietnamese tacos. Let's see. Vietnamese, Mexican. Air conditioned. Ooh. Let's get it. That's the place to be. Xing Xiao. She's not able to walk through the door.
Thank you. In the end, we found a Mexican restaurant that had gluten-free food, which was amazing because I usually don't find things to eat here. So that was really, really nice. And we hope you guys liked our random video about the day in Hanoi. And yeah, give us a follow if you want to see more like this.